Today is Wednesday, November 20th. I'm at an in-service, so I am here in the building making more tests and homework for you guys. So do not act up because I will stop by each period to say hello to you. So, first thing, we need to take out our spiral notebook. Have the sub take attendance and make sure you're sitting in your assigned seat. And let's open up your spiral notebook to page 5. For each class, it's going to be different pages. For my periods 2 and 3, you're going to do 104 to 105. Today is November 20th. We are learning something called functions. For my other periods, period 4, 5, 6, 7, you're going to use pages 106 and 107, November 20th functions. So please pause to let kids copy this. All right, welcome back. Now it's time to pass out our sticky notes. So let's pass out our sticky notes. In second period, I would like... Second period, let's have Angel pass out 4 sticky notes to each person. In third period, Jonathan pass out 4 sticky notes to each person. Salali, fourth period, pass out sticky notes to each person. Hongdin, fifth period, pass out sticky notes to each person. Juan Rodriguez, in sixth period, pass out sticky notes to each person. And last but not least, Jesus Tran, please pass out sticky notes to each person in 7th period. So please pause. Welcome back. Now have the next same person pass out, or the substitute can do this, please pass out the little slip of paper that says functions to each person. Each kid will need 4 pieces of tape. Again, for those who don't remember, the white paper goes on the left side, the even side. So 104 for periods 2 and 3. 106 for periods 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 pieces of tape. Please put the sticky notes on the odd numbers. 105 for periods 2 and 3. 107 for periods 4, 5, 6, 7. So let me do that, please. So 104. If you need to pause it to give time to pass it, kids time to pass it out, please pause. So here's 104. Please tape this down. 4 pieces of tape. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And page 105, please put 4 sticky notes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So today we're going to be learning something called functions. You should remember functions. Functions are like a function machine. So let's go to our first sticky note. Everybody should be in your first sticky note. Please copy this down. Function machine. Function machine. Imagine there is a function machine. So you put input. You put something into the machine, the function machine, and it comes output. Something new, a different number comes out. The way I think about it is, this morning for breakfast or this afternoon for lunch, you put things inside your body. Your stomach does something to it. Your digestion does something to it. And then it comes out as a brand new product. Any different forms. Could be solid, maybe liquid form, gas form, all kinds of form. Yes, I know it's gross, but it is reality. So, for example, let's start very easy. You put in a 5 into the function machine. It might come out as a 7. How do you turn a 5 to a 7? Any suggestion, class? So think about it. Pause. Have kids think about it. Pause. Welcome back. Did you say +2? Maybe. You put in a 12. It come out as a 14. You put in a 24. it will come out as what number, kids? Did you say 26? Very nice. So what happens if I put in any number to this function machine? What will it come out? Let's see. If I put in any number, I add 2 to each number. Add 2 to the number. So it will be n plus 2. Any number plus 2. And that is a function machine. So this is the input. This is the machine. This is the output. Another way to call this is called relationship. So write this down above function machine. So you put in something. What's the relationship between the input and output? For this one, you add 2. That is the relationship. That's why you get 7, 14, 26, and plus 2. So lift up your paper. Lift up your sticky note. So let's draw this. Please write in relationship out. Let's make an H chart. I want you to draw 1 line, 2 line, 3, and 4. So please copy that down. So in relationship out, pause line. If you need to pause it to give time enough for kids to copy this down, please pause. Welcome back. So let's see. I put in 25. It might come out as a 29. What's the relationship? If I put in 35, it might come out as a 39. If I put in a 123, it might come out as a 127. If I put in a 199, it might come out as 203. So what is the relationship? So if I put in any number, it will come out as what? What is the relationship between the input and output? You know what? I think it's a relationship plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. The relationship is plus 4. So if I put in any number, the relationship is n plus 4. Now it's time to do one on your own. So above this sticky note, please recopy another in and output chart. In relationship out. Draw 1 line, 2 line. Let's just draw a 3 line this time. Now it's time to do one on your own. Let's see if you understand this one. So please pause to give them time to copy. Welcome back. So we have 35. Please copy this down for input. 35, 40, 41, and n for any number. It might come out as, let's see, 46. How do you turn an input to a 46? This might be a 51. The 41 will become a 52. So please pause. Please find the relationship on your own. Welcome back. So what did you get as your answer? Did you get plus 11, plus 11, plus 11, plus 11? So for any number, did you find a rule as plus 11? So the function rule is n plus 11, and that is the answer. So let's go to our second sticky note and see how you're going to do on this one. So again, please recopy an input, output, relationship chart. 1, 2, 3. Please draw 3 lines. Please pause to give them time. So welcome back again. So let's try our next one. What happens if you have a relationship of 50, 25, let's start easier. 50. The 50 becomes a 43. Hey, it's getting smaller. I don't think it's going to be adding the relationship. So 25. What if I put 25 into the function machine? It will come out as an 18. What is the relationship? Does anybody know the relationship? I hope you do. Don't call it out though. Let other kids learn. We put an 18. It comes out as a 11. So any number. If I put in any number, what is the relationship? it's getting smaller, so subtraction or division. I know you can't divide anything. -7? It is -7. So the relationship is n minus 7. So lift up your second sticky note. Input, output, relationship. Again, please pause if kids need to copy this down. So input, relationship, output, draw 3 lines. If I were you, yeah. Well, welcome back. So try this one now. What if you have a 52, 69, and a 156, and a number n? These are the input. What happens if it come out as 50, a 67, a 154? Can you find a relationship? Please pause and let kids answer this. Welcome back. So did you find a relationship is -2, -2, -2, -2? The answer is any number -2. So the number, you take away 2 from the number. All right, now let's try another one on your own. So again, please copy it. Input. If you don't mind, if it's okay, or abbreviate R for relationship, output. I bet you some of you are already doing that already, because I know last time, I think a couple of you said, why don't we just abbreviate? So let's try this one. So copy this out. Please pause to give time to need to. So here it is. Welcome back if you paused. Here are the numbers: 66, 2,345, and 75, and n. So what happens if it was 61? Output 2,345. It became 2,340. This one became a 70. Please pause to give them time to find a relationship. What's the rule? Hello, so did you find a function rule? I think it's -5, -5, -5, n minus 5. Very good. So let's go to our third sticky note now. So input, relationship, output. So please put the number 12, 23, and n. Again, we don't have to use the letter n. We can use any letters. So what happens if you put an input of 12 and it will come out as a 60? Whoa, that's a really big number. Probably adding, right? 20 will become 100. 3 will become a 15. What is the relationship? Anybody have a suggestion? You say out loud if you have a suggestion. Did you get plus 48? But it doesn't work for this one, so not plus 48. It's getting bigger really fast. Oh, times 5, times 5, times 5. The relationship, the rule is times 5, times 5. So it could be n times 5. The relationship is number times 5. Did you know there's another way to write this, a better way? What about saying 5 groups of the number? So 5n, 5 groups of the number. The way you represent multiplication is you write the coefficient or the number before the variable or the letter. So like 7 groups of numbers, 7n. 9 groups of the number, 9n. So let's try another one. Lift up your paper. Input, relationship, output. You might want to give them the pause to let them draw 3 lines and stuff. Yes, we're about to draw 4 more of this. I know. Pain in the butt. Well, welcome back. So you have 5, 9, 12, and n. So what happens if 5 becomes a 20, 9 becomes a 36, 12 becomes a 48? If you need to cheat, I guess you could use this. So please pause and give time to find kids to find a relationship. Welcome back. Did you find times 4 times 4 times 4 or times 4? N times 4, or another way to say it is 4 groups of the number, or 4n. And last but not least, let's try one on your own, another one on your own. Input, relationship, output. So you have 13, 17, 20, n.